Okay, let's start. Let's proceed to my recordings. The one that I uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay, let's discuss this. The Y Delta motor control simulation. This one I've uploaded has no explanation sounds. So that's why today we will set a new video with some basic explanation. Okay, let's play. Okay, Y Delta motor control simulation. So basically the components are here. So one by one we will name it. I'm just typing the motor controls description by Engineer Jacobs. You can call me J for the meantime, since we are not friends yet. Okay, please watch the video until the end so you have the basic understanding on how induction motor works, three-phase induction motors. So, let's begin. This this portion is motor rides. So we have our ST, the three-phase power supply, connected to the three-phase open contacts of main contactor. Then connected to the three-phase induction motor with 6 leads. So yan, we have to connect here, the three-phase leads. And then the other leads we will connect to the Y open contacts of Y contactors. So once these three contacts will be closed, we will create a Y connection. And this one with a sign D, so it is a delta connection. Once the delta open contacts will be closed, you will be creating a delta connection. So on the other hand, these two contacts cannot close at the same time. So when the delta is open, the Y should be closed. So when the Y is closed, the delta should be open. But you can open those contacts at the same time. So on the control sides, we will create the basic motor controls on how Y delta controls to be connected, these components. So start button, this one is Y contactors, this one is Y pilot light, delta contactors, running pilot light, timer, stop pilot light, and then this one close contact ng main contactor. This one is the close contact of delta contactor, close contact ng timer relay, close contact ng contactor, open contact ng timer relay, then open contact ng main contactor. So this will serve as a holding coil when we press the start button. So let's start connecting the components from line 1 to the terminal of top button connected to the start button in series, and then the start button connected to contactors. This contactors is connected to this open contactor, so we will connect to the neutral to create a closed loop circuit. Then contactors connected in parallel with the main contactors, open contacts. These delta close contacts will serve as interlocking, and then open contacts of main contactor in parallel with the start button. So when we press this will create a close contact, holding contact. connected the open contacts of time relay, connected to Y, connected to delta contactor. So Y is parallel with the Y pilot light is parallel with the Y contactor. And this one, so this one is will be parallel as well. Time relay, so we will parallel this here. This one connected. Saan natin connect to? Where do we connect this terminal? So here to create here. Oh, sorry. This here. Then this is the pilot light connected to here. Oh, we can connect. We have to splice. Connect in series. Then connected here to create a closed circuit. From here, we already finished the connection. So we have to add description so everybody can understand the basics. This one we will put delta as I earlier mentioned. This one is delta connection while this one is Y connection. Proceed here. I'm just putting some description so every beginners will know what we call this, what we call this. So let's press the start so we can simulate. So this one may supply the three-phase motors run. Okay, running. So when press stop, this will stop as well. Oh, stop. Okay, what's another thing? We will put another off delay timer to create an automatic shutting off of the three-phase induction motor. So when we insert here, so this is off delay time. We will insert as well this here at an open contacts of terminal T off. We put T off. So timer off. This timer will shut down the operation within a given setting or time. We'll put an open contact of terminal timer relay, this one TR. Okay, we will put let's say 15 seconds, and then we cut this one and let insert an open contact of play open. This one insert here. Okay, okay, okay. Why open contact? Once this one is energized, this will close. Okay, and you will see this one is energized, this one will close. Okay, let's add as additional description for your understanding. T off will automatically shut off the motor after the setted time. So I've set here is 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, the motor will stop. Basically, this is not practical, but I'll just show how automatic the timer will the three-phase induction motor. So this, I think we can start. Let's try to simulate. Okay. When we display button, timer is energized, so this one will close. So after we close, manually starts. Okay. This timer, once the energized, it will count down. So this one will open once the timer is okay. You will see automatically off, and the pilot light red will lit. Okay, let's play again. Let's say we put 30 seconds, so the running motors will be longer than before. Start. The energize, because we have normally close contact of timer. Once this one is energized, this will become open. After 15 seconds, 14, this one is interconnected with here. So once this timer is become 0, this one becomes 0, it will become open. So the controls will turn off the motors. By that, hope you understand how automatic the motors off. So let's try to make it automatically turning on as well. So that we did not we won't press this start button. Once the motors is automatically off, we will insert another timer so that this timer will turn on the motor after several seconds or several minutes. So you won't need human intervention to start the motor. Okay. In short, we will make these controls automatically, both start and stop. Let's try to set 45 seconds. But how? How? So to make it automatically turning on, we will insert another on delay timer from here to here. So delay timer. Ooh. Alright. This is on delay timer. Let's say 45 seconds. And then, syempre, we will insert an open contacts to parallel to start button, so it will close once this timer is energized. After, let's say, T on, this timer will turn on the controls. Parallel to holding contact of start button. Okay, let's start. We set 45 seconds. So after 45 seconds of stop, the motor will start running. Let's simulate again. So you can see after 45 seconds the motor will start. After 30 seconds the motor will stop, and then after 45 seconds again the motor will start, and then so on and so forth. The cycle will be continuous unless you change the setting of timer. This is a short time setted only, just for the sake of simulation. So we can put this in minutes as well. Okay, you already energized. After 45 seconds, this contact will turn to close. So if this will be closed, the circuit has complete flow of current. So the contactors will be energized. Once energized, okay, Y, then turn to delta. Then this one, the energized. After 30 seconds, this will turn off. You see here, this will open after the time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Turn off. And then this will running again. After 45 seconds, the motor will start again. So basically that's the content of this video. How to connect its component, how to insert, how to connect the contactors provided with interlockings. Okay, it's a fast forward. So this is the description, so you will understand how this operates. Okay. Oh, our internet. This induction motor has 6 leads out. So this 3 terminals is the 1, 2, 3, and the other is 4, 5, 6. We are lucky that this motors is readily arranged to connect. So we did not challenge to connect the terminals. Okay, please read this. This is 6 leads out motor, 3-phase induction motor. Connection were arranged readily. So the sophisticator arranged readily the terminals, so we can easily connect it into delta and Y connections. So if it is in number identification terminal, so we can easily connect because we have a terminal code. So terminal 1 is connected to terminal what? Please guess. Terminal 1 connected to terminal 6. Terminal 2 connected to terminal 4. Terminal 3 connected to terminal 5. This is for delta connection. So if our controls is across the line, this connection will be flow. Since we are in Y delta control, so we have to insert a Y connections. Okay. And with here, I think we already discussed the connections and how it operates, the power control circuit, the control diagram. If you understand the basics, take note, this is for beginners only. So if you are expert, you are free to comment down below because we can consider that. I am a beginner as well, so I'm open to criticism, input, so my knowledge will become broad in terms of motor controls. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and watch. Hit the notification button so you will be notified once I've uploaded another video with regards to motor control, with regards to master flamming, with regards to facility management and other related okay, this is the components in this control. So we have on delay timer, off delay, stop, lamp, contactors, start, neutral, start, the connectable 3-phase in the readily connection. Oh, okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below any appreciation.